In this quick video, I want to show you how to export your completed edited video to your desktop or to some folder that you have already created. Now, I'm using Wondershare Filmora X, which is almost the same as Filmora 10. In fact, most Filmoras have the same method or formula for exporting or downloading your video, your completed edited video to your desktop or some particular folder. Now I am here on Filmora, and if you just move your eye to this central top part of Filmora, there's a big blue button written export. That is the button you want to click to export or to download your completed edited video to your desktop or to some particular folder. So it's very simple to do export or download your video in Wondershare Filmora X Pro 10, 9, whatever version of Filmora. Just come to this export button, click on export, then it brings you to this window. Now you don't have to do any much of setting in this exporting procedure. Of course, on this side we have the different versions or the different video formats that you want. There is MP4, WMV, HEVC, AVI, MOV, F4V, MKV, whatever, up to GIF and MP3. So whatever version you want, for most of us, I'm sure you're going to go with MP4, which is always the default that comes with Wondershare. So just click on MP4 there. If it's for some reason the default is anything, just click on MP4. You don't need to touch anything on devices, YouTube, Vimeo, or DVD. If you just click some YouTube video, some video you want to post on YouTube or Instagram or whatever, just click on MP4. Then on this other part here, of course, give it a name. My video is called How to Deal with Fear. I'm talking about a video I'm editing a video on how to deal with fear. There's a name. Just give whatever name you want there. And then, of course, save to. Save to is the folder where you want the video to go to. So just click on that, and then it brings you to your computer here. So I'm just going to go to my desktop. I'm going to search for where I want to place my particular, where I want my video to download. So of course, this is the folder How to Deal with Fear. Then I select that folder. The rest is the same. The resolution, the recommended resolution for most online platform is 1920 by 1080p, frame rate 25 fps. Size, of course, size depends on the size of your video. And then my video duration is 5 minutes and 24 seconds. So that's it. After that, just click on export there, and then if you click on that, boom, it just starts to export. Then you just give it some time and then it starts exporting. Now, if you want to know, you can say when done here. So the good thing with Filmora, it even tells you when done here, what do you want it to do. So you can click on this thing down here, tell you sound a reminder, shut down computer, or do nothing. So whatever you want. If you want it to sound you a reminder when it's done exporting, just select that. If you want it to shut down the computer, maybe you're tired, just want the computer to shut down once you stop, once it's complete exporting, just click on that, or do nothing. For me, I'm just going to leave it to do nothing because I'm still working on my computer. So that's it, guys. That's how you export or download a video from Filmora. It's that simple. Nothing, no gimmick, no nothing. Just that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps to support this channel.